I'm Travis Steglick with Steglick Farm Supply in Bartlett, Texas, and I'm here with ExpertVillage to talk about planting tomatoes, actually transplants in a greenhouse for spring of the year. A lot of sun during the day, or a greenhouse, or some way to keep them warm and keep the frost from freezing them. A lot of people do grow them in small quantities on just a windowsill. I'm not a huge operation. I do grow a few plants for my customers and for my own amusement. And tomatoes are some of the most widely grown vegetables in the world as far as home gardeners and cooks go.